Now nth term of an AP, we have to find it whose sum of whose first n terms is 2n plus 3n square. So basic thing is this formula is for sum of n terms. Okay, we have already done that Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Is it clear? So now we have to find Tn. Nth term means Tn. Now here Tn is equal to sum of n terms. Now for Sn it is given 2n plus 3n square, negative of twice of n minus 1 plus 3n minus 1 whole square. This is the thing, okay? Or you can write it Sn is equal to 2n plus 3n square. Therefore Sn minus 1 is equal to twice of n minus 1 plus 3 times n minus 1 whole square. Okay. So now let's solve it. We are having 2n plus 3n square negative for now twice of n minus 1 plus 3 times n square minus 2n plus 1. 2n plus 3n square, 2n minus 2 plus 3n square minus 6n plus 3. 2n plus 3n square negative of minus 4n, then plus 3n square plus 1. 2n plus 3n square plus 4n, 3n square negative, negative of 1. On solving this is 6x minus 1. Hence, nth term Tn is equal to 6n minus 1. Now what alternatively we can do it? Now alternative method. Now when if we are putting S1 n is equal to 1 in this part, what we are having? We are getting 5. S1 is fine, putting n is equal to 1. Putting n is equal to 2, S2, what you are getting? Now S2 means what? S2 means T1 plus T2. Okay, that is S2. S1 is what? T1. Okay, S1 is what? T1. Now S2 is equal to what? When you are putting 2 here, it means 4 plus 12 is 16. What is S3? S3 is T1 plus T2 plus T3. This is when you are putting 3, 27 plus 6, it is 33. Is it clear? So what series we are having? We are having Sn is equal to 5, 16, 33 like this, and Sn minus 1 we have to write it starting 5 from here, 16, 33 like this. Then subtracting negative, we are having Tn, and here when we are putting negative symbols, this becomes 5, then 11, then we are having difference of 6, 17 like this one. So A is what? A is equal to 5. D is equal to what? D is 6. Now put here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. On solving, 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. This will be 6x minus 1 when you are solving. So either you can move by this method, but this is the perfect. I will recommend from my side to do by this method.